Arriba! Good day everyone! I am Andrae Sebastean Alegre. Today, I'm going to show you my website with login form, navigation bar, dashboard, and logout. Without further ado, let's start with this PHP and HTML files I have in my website. First, we have the index.php. This code is for the login form page that will ask the user to input his or her username and password to access the main website. Next is the login.php. This code is for the connection and accessing through the main website after clicking the submit button if the username and password entered correctly. This first nav.html is when the user successfully log in, it will bring you to the main website. It contains header, footer, images, and navigation bar. In connection.php, this is a code that connects to a MySQL database using PHP. It sets the server name, username, password, and database name as variables. Then it uses these variables to create a new MySQLi object which represents a connection to the database. And now, as you notice, I added two PHP files, the upload image.php and data.php for my dashboard. First, let's discuss the upload image.php. The user will bring to this page after clicking the reviews in the navigation bar. This PHP code handles form data submitted through a post request. It requires a connection.php file to establish a connection with the database. It also has a conditional statement for some cases by uploading the image, and it can only accept a JPG, JPEG, and PNG file with a maximum size of 5 MB. After submitting, the information that the user entered will be added to the database. Moving forward, this is the CSS for the upload image.php, and for the HTML of this page is the text, password, and file field that the user needs to fill up in order to collect a data. After that, the user can submit it by clicking Submit Review and can be viewed in the dashboard by clicking the button View Dashboard. Last but not the least is the data.php. It also has a PHP, CSS, and HTML. This code shows the dashboard after we enter the credentials. It will display our full name, email, address, username, image, and comment or review. Lastly, we have two buttons. First is the upload image and add a review button, and it will bring you to the upload image.php. The back to home page button will bring you to the first nav.html or the main website. And for the logout.php, if we click the logout, the message will be "Thank you for visiting our website." For the last part of my presentation, join me as I take you through a demonstration of my website. And that concludes my presentation, and I hope my presentation has provided you with valuable insights and knowledge. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.